What if your child could start building wealth before they even turn 18? Imagine turning pocket money, birthday gifts, or allowance into a future college fund, or even the down payment for their first home. Today, we are diving into how kids and teenagers can actually start investing safely, smartly, and successfully, even before they hit adulthood. Welcome back to Rich Map, where we simplify the world of money, investing, and wealth building. If you're a parent who wants to set your kids up for financial success, or a teen eager to get a head start on your money journey, this video is for you. First things first, let's break a myth. Many people think investing is only for adults with full-time jobs. But that's not true anymore. Thanks to technology, there are tons of options today that let kids and teens start investing under parental supervision. The earlier you begin, the more powerful the magic of compound interest becomes. Time is your biggest advantage, and starting early can literally turn small savings into massive gains over the years. So how do you begin? If you are a parent, you can open something called a custodial investment account. It's basically an account where you, the parent, control the investments until your child turns 18 or 21, depending on your state. Two popular types are the UGMA and UTMA accounts. These let you invest in stocks, ETFs, or even mutual funds on your child's behalf. The money legally belongs to the child, but you get to guide it while they are still learning. If you are a teen watching this, talk to your parents about this kind of account. It's an incredible opportunity to learn about money hands-on. For example, you can pick your favorite companies. Maybe you love Apple, Nike, or Disney, and start by owning a few shares. This makes investing more personal and exciting, because you are not just reading about those brands, you actually own part of them. Now, let's talk strategy. The number one rule for young investors is simplicity. You do not need to trade every day or chase the next hot stock. Instead, focus on long-term growth. The easiest and safest way is to invest in index funds or ETFs that track the overall stock market, like the S&P 500. These funds include hundreds of big companies, spreading your risk and giving you stable, consistent returns over time. For example, if a teen invests just $50 a month in an S&P 500 index fund starting at age, by the time they are 30, that could grow to over $20,000 with average market returns, even without doing anything fancy. Keep investing until 50 or 60, and that could easily reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the real power of compounding. Another smart way to invest is through Roth IRAs for kids. If your child earns income, maybe from a part-time job, babysitting, or even a small online business, they can open a custodial Roth IRA. With a Roth, the money grows tax-free, and when they withdraw it later in life, it's completely tax-free too. It's one of the most powerful wealth-building tools for young people who start early. But what if you do not have much money to start? That's perfectly fine. Even small amounts add up. Apps like Greenlight, Fidelity, Youth, or Acorns Early make it super easy to begin with just a few dollars. Some let parents set up automatic transfers so kids can learn consistent investing habits. You can even set up goals like safer college, first car, or future home. The point is to start. Waiting for the perfect time means you will never begin. Now, let's talk about mindset. Because investing is not just about money, it's about patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. Teach your kids that investing is not gambling or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about owning real pieces of real businesses that grow over time. Encourage them to watch their investments grow slowly and steadily instead of checking prices every day. A great way to teach this mindset is through simulation. Many websites and apps offer virtual investing games where kids can buy and sell stocks with fake money. This helps them understand how markets move without risking real cash. Once they are comfortable, they will be ready to make smart real-life decisions. For parents, it's also important to be involved. Talk to your kids about money openly. Discuss what investing means, what risk looks like, and how to think long-term. Show them your own investments, if you are comfortable. That transparency builds trust and curiosity. You can even make it fun. Have a family investment challenge, where each person picks a company and tracks its growth over a few months. Also, do not overlook diversification. Teach kids that putting all their money into one stock is risky. Instead, spread it across different sectors: technology, healthcare, energy, and consumer goods. This way, if one part of the market struggles, the others balance it out. Now, let's talk about something super important: financial education. Investing without knowledge is like driving blindfolded. Encourage your kids or teens to read simple investing books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins or Rich Dad Poor Dad for teens. There are also tons of YouTube channels, podcasts, and free online courses that explain investing in fun, easy ways. The goal is not just to make money, it's to understand how money works. Here's one more thing: mistakes are part of the learning process. Every investor makes them, even the pro. If your teen buys a stock and it drops, that's a valuable lesson, not a failure. The key is to learn, adjust, and keep going. The earlier you make small mistakes, the better prepared you will be for bigger decisions later in life. Now imagine this: a teenager who starts investing at 15 could easily retire a millionaire by 50 with consistent contributions and patience. That's not fantasy. It's math. The earlier you start, the easier the journey becomes. So, if you are a parent watching this, take action today. Open that custodial account, set up that Roth IRA. Teach your kids that money can work for them instead of the other way around. And if you are a teen, start learning now. Even $10 invested wisely is a seed for your financial future. Thanks for watching Rich Map, where we help you navigate your journey to financial freedom one smart step at a time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our weekly tips on building wealth. Share this with a parent, teen, or friend who needs to start their investing journey early. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. This is Rich Map, guiding you to a richer, smarter future. See you in the next video.